Hi there, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem by attempting to solve it while recording it and talking myself through solving it to help me understand it a bit better. So the question I'm going to be doing in this video is just picked a fairly easy one because I've not got a whole load of time. Concatenation of array. Given an integer nums of length n, you want to create an array length 2n, where answer of I is equal to nums I, and answer I plus n is equal to nums I, where for 0 is greater than or equal to 0 and less than n. So specifically, answer is the concatenation of two nums arrays. So it kind of just looks like you're taking an array and duplicating it. So 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. So index 0, 1, 2, and then index 0, 1, 2. So the constraints are n is equal to the number's length. It's between 1 and 1,000. Or no, the length is between 1 and 1,000, and each number is again between 1 and 1,000. So this is 1929. So I'm going to switch over to my notes, 1929 ideas. So I think this is going to be really simple actually. I think there's some sort of operator, list operator in Python to add two arrays together. And I'm just going to try this and see if it works. I think it's going to be a tad more complicated than this, but if I just do print nums plus nums, what will that return? It looks like it's returning the correct thing. So if I just do return nums plus nums, will this pass? Looks like it's accepted. Let's submit it, see if it works. And accepted. Okay, so that was quite surprising. I thought this problem would be a bit more complicated, but no. That plus just seems to be able to concatenate arrays. I wasn't quite sure if that would work. I'm quite surprised at that. So yeah, that was quite a short video. I hope this was useful in some way. If you have any other sort of solution, please leave a comment. I love discussing these types of things. I hope you have a great day.